Hea uyelta shunk jashunkoi. The verb smell in Why the Mink Smells. Ashaga uwaushanga ashantiha. These are three verbs for smell in Cherokee language. The first is intransitive and it indicates a scent property of a thing. Ashaga. He, she, or it smells. The other two are transitive. One indicates that a person inactively senses a smell emanating from a thing or a person. Uwaushanga. She or he smells it. The other indicates that a person actively tries to gather scent information about a thing. Ashantiha. He or she is smelling or sniffing it. Ashanga nole uwaushanga. Two of the three verbs for smell occur in Why the Mink Smells. Intransitive smell occurs in the title, Hea uyelt shunk jashunkoi, and in the conclusion that today the mink smells like roasted meat. Hawia ashantana iyust ashankoi. The mink smells like roasted meat. Transitive inactive smell occurs when the other animals smell the mink as it roasts. Anishoi anenahi uniusha ashantana ugwedali. The other animals smelled the roasting flesh. Intransitive smell. Ashanga. He, she, it smells. Jishangoi. I smell. Ushanti. For it to smell. Ghosti uyo ashunk. Something smells bad from Durban Feelings Dictionary. The verb smell is defective. It does not have a full set of 5 stem forms. The verb that occurs in Why the Mink Smells is in bold. It is the habitual form. Jishankoi, I smell. Ashankoi, he, she, or it smells. Hawia ashantana iyust ashankoi. It, the mink, smells like roasted meat. The Cherokee author has used the ashankoi alternate spelling to indicate the nasal sound of the sh syllable. Transitive inactive smell. Uwaushanga, she smells it. Akiushangoi, I smell it. Jiaoshangi, you just smelled it. Uwaushangji, he smelled it. Uwaushangsti, for her to smell it. Gahusti uhyansti uwaushangil. Adiha, he says he smells something strong from the Durban Feeling Dictionary. Transitive inactive smell. Uwaushangji, he smelled it, is the target form here. Anishoi anenahi uniushanja ashantana uwedali. The other animals smelled the roasted flesh.